Okay, Christina Blackfeather here, and I'm going to see if I can videotape Thomas with his favorite channel. But the tablet's binging a ton of notifications. This is what I get for loading it and not waiting for the notifications to finish. I can't zoom in. The channel is Philip Dunning, and he has nothing but bird videos up for cats and squirrels and stuff like that. And his channel is really, really good, and the stuff is actually relaxing if you're trying to go to sleep too. So dual purpose. Nope, I guess he's done.
Yeah, he's going to play with my hat.
Leave the hat alone. Hi. But I'll put a link in the description. This kitten at the vet too. It's really funny. He's not used to seeing it on the bigger tablet. So, yeah, there we go. I'll try and get a better video of him later without this glare and when he's not so distracted. Because right now my hair is a thing. So anyway, have a great day, you guys. That's Vlogmas Day something or other. Bye.